Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX. So the SPX lineup is their sport boat lineup. They come in 19, 21, and 23. The 19 SPX is 19 feet 6 inches long with an 8'4" beam or width of the boat. It is a 10-person boat. This is just a great boat, especially here in our market. Easy to tow around, easy to put in a garage if you need to. So let's walk through. We got the nice classic look. We really like this with just the white up on top, and then we do a black bottom. Looks really cool when you put it on the water. The 19 SPX, really known for their nice big swim platform. This particular boat has the mold on top and the bottom. They put it together. There's not any extra things being just clamped onto the transom of the boat. So really sturdy, really easy when you're driving, cuts corners very, very nicely. This boat, we got the 4.5 200 horsepower Mercury. This boat really gets up on plane very, very quickly. So plenty of power with the 200. And then we got our manual swim step that pops open just like that. Locks into place. You can go down into the water, you can sit on it, stand on it, sitting around. Great option to have here on the back of this 19 SPX. So let's go to the interior and take a look at all the other options. All right, welcome to the 19 SPX interior. As far as the color goes, this is what Sea Ray calls stone. Kind of that, obviously that gray color, but they call it stone. We've got the nice platform back up into here, sun tanning area, you can lay on it. If you open it up, it will have obviously the engine, like I said, 4.5 200, and then we do have some storage down on that side as well. We got a nice walk through right in here. There's the pads don't go all the way across. You don't have to step over anything. It's easy to walk in. You got to step down into the boat, which is nice. We got storage back underneath here, and then underneath here, show you, open that up. So this is a cooler. It's awesome. Integrated or insulated cooler. Throw some ice in there. It's got a drain. Phenomenal. You don't have to bring any extra coolers on board. We got the two helm seats on both sides. They both have bucket seats that have the bolster seats on them. They do go down. They go forward and back, and they will swivel on both of them. We've got storage down in the floor. There's two locks on there on hinges. Really nice stuff, and you can put your skis down there, really anything you want. Up here at the helm, we've got our Fusion stereo system. So there's a couple speakers in the cockpit area, and then a couple speakers up in the bow as well. This is Bluetooth, obviously, so you can do that. We have obviously a bunch of gauges right in here. Your trim, fuel, and then some digital gauges as well. Get you your depth, your speed, a little bit of everything right in there, right at your fingertips, which is great. So up in the bow of this 19, it's not in right now, but we did have the option of the bow filler cushion. So you can put a cushion right in the middle and just fill everything up if you want to hang out in the bow with a couple different people. There's some storage underneath both of these seats. You've got grab handles. You've got the vinyl all the way across up into here. Just really nice. This is what Sea Ray does very, very well with their boats. The padding that comes all the way across. Nice, easy place to sit if you're boating. So the 19 SPX, one of my favorites. This is a boat that we have here at our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look, you can give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, like this video, and then click to subscribe to see all the other videos we're putting out on a daily basis.